In this flow, we're going to see how you can use the Call AI action to answer questions from your contacts in a flow. We're going to answer the questions using our LLM based on the results from the wait for a response. We're going to build a flow that a dietitian might use to help their patients who are on specific diets. First, let's start by going in and creating a trigger word for this flow. I'll go over to Edit, Keyword Triggers. I'm going to write food check. Okay. Anytime one of my patients or contacts writes in with the keyword food check, the flow will be triggered. We're going to start with a message. All right, I wrote, "Hi there. It's important to keep track of your food intake to ensure you are following a healthy diet." I'll click OK. Next, I'll send another message asking what the food is. What food item would you like nutritional information about? Click OK. I'll add a wait for a response. I'm going to leave the rule blank. Okay. And I'm going to name the result food. Click OK. Here we're going to add our first Call AI action. Scroll down to Call AI service. Select your model. Make sure you already have your model added in your settings. What is the AI processing? Process the results that the contact just sent us. So I'm going to change this to @results. And remember, we named it food, results.food. What do I want AI to do with the input? Tell me what one serving size of this food is. We're going to add another send message action. What do I want? I want the results from my Call AI, whatever the output was from my LLM, to be sent to the contact. Okay, so I'm going to do @locals.llm output. Okay, and you can see that here if you don't remember. Down here it says the result can be referenced as @local.llm output. Okay. All right. So now the contact will receive the correct serving size of the food. We're going to still send them the nutritional value of the food. So we'll continue on. I'm going to do another Call AI action. Okay, what do I want them to process? Once again, I want them to process the food, the message that was sent from the contact in the wait for result. So @result.food. Okay, now what do I want my LLM to do? Okay, tell me the macronutrient content of one serving of this food. Once again, down here, we can see how we can reference those results later that it turns out. Oh, I need to select my model. Okay. And then again, we're going to put another message. This will be sent to the contact. So the results of this question that we asked our LLM will be sent to the contact. Okay, I'm going to reference the food item that they sent me in the first wait for result. All right, so @results.food has a nutritional value of, and then here I'm going to take my output from my LLM again. So @locals, here it pops up again. All right, good. Let's run our flow in the simulator. All right, so we get our two messages here. We're going to put in the food we want information for, apple. Okay, so first they turned out the serving size of the apple. Our LLM sent that back. And next, it turned out the nutritional value of an apple and with all of the macronutrients. Okay. If we'd like, we can follow up at the end since we're using AI. All right. So I wrote, if you have any more specific questions about your personalized diet or need medical advice, please reach out directly to the clinic. I can add that at the end kind of as a disclaimer since we're using AI to answer questions here. All right, we'll run that again and see what that looks like. Apple. All right, now we can see that our closing message was sent at the end there. All right, if you have any more questions about using the Call AI action or setting up your LLM, please don't hesitate to reach out on our chat widget. We're always ready to help.